I'm going to show you the 3 ways that vehicle listings can appear on your website. These are under the website menu, and we have search result, vehicle summary, and vehicle overview. You can think of search result as the default. It's what customers will see when they're browsing the vehicles on your website. Vehicle summary is how vehicle listings will appear when shown as related vehicles or new arrivals. And vehicle overview is how they'll appear on special booking pages, such as reserving a vehicle or requesting a callback. Each of them have a number of variables, so you can choose which vehicle information is displayed on which. Let's start with the main search result. As you can see, you have a series of options, and anything you choose here will be instantly reflected in the preview. So if we hide the price is gone. You can change the layout, so if we put the manufacturer logo on the right, or we can hide it altogether. You can just play around until you find the look that you want. So I'm going to bring back the price and the logo, and then we'll go down to these highlights. These highlights are the information that appear on this search result, and then this highlight style is how they appear. So let's try the icon style. You can see it puts a little icon. You've got different options for different sizes, but you can then add any other information you want to the listing and it will just appear. You can also add or change new buttons to the search result at the bottom here. So if we want to add request callback, we can do that as well, and that will take us to the booking form. And you can also change how the button looks. So we can have it like that. You can add as many as you like. And then once you're done, just press Save Changes. So now when we browse used cars on the website, you can see it's reflecting the changes that we've made. However, if we go to the home page, you can see that it's not changed the latest arrivals, because that's controlled by the vehicle summary, which we'll look at next. So once again, we'll go up to the website menu, and this time we'll choose vehicle summary. For this one, let's hide the price, and let's just display the manufacturer logo, and then just choose the highlight style. Let's go with that one. And it might not be necessary to include as much on this particular listing. There's a lot you can change, so you can even hide the image entirely. Let's put it in the middle so that these appear on the top. And then once again at the bottom, we can add buttons to it so that they can interact. And then once we save the changes, if we refresh the page, you can see that the changes have been implemented. And then the final overview settings are for when you click into a vehicle and go into a booking form page. So for example, request callback, where we're going to fill in the details here. The overview will choose how this appears. So once again, website, vehicle overview, and again, it works the same way. And then once you're done, press save.